Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. We've all been there. You have a spreadsheet with hundreds of rows of data, and now you need to turn every single one of them into a professional PDF. Doing this manually would take days. Even standard automation only works for new submissions. But what about the data you already have? Enter bulk generation, the high-speed engine of Smartform Publisher. Bulk generation allows you to take existing data in your Google Sheet and run your document automation across every row simultaneously. It's the ultimate tool for batch processing. To get started, open the Smartform Publisher sidebar directly from your responses sheet. Head over to the Bulk Generation tab. Here, you can choose to process your entire sheet or just a specific range of rows. Once your template and settings are ready, just hit Generate. The add-on goes to work, reading every row, merging the data into your template, and saving the files to your drive. It even handles the emails, sending out hundreds of personalized documents in the time it takes you to grab a cup of coffee. Whether you're clearing a backlog of invoices or issuing certificates for a massive webinar, bulk generation scales your productivity to a whole new level. Stop wasting time on repetitive tasks and start processing at scale. Install Smartform Publisher and try bulk generation today. Visit gwaddons.com to see our full suite of automation tools.